Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential kitchen tool that every cooking enthusiast should consider, the Zwilling 4-stage ultra-sharp knife sharpener and scissor sharpener. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes the Zwilling 4-stage sharpener stand out. This isn't just any ordinary sharpener, it's designed for both Western and Asian-style blades, making it versatile for various types of knives in your kitchen. Whether you have a traditional Western chef's knife or a delicate Japanese santoku, this sharpener is up to the task. One of the key features of this sharpener is its 4-stage sharpening process. On either side, you have two ceramic grits, one coarse and one fine. The coarse slot is perfect for restoring dull edges, while the fine slot helps hone the blade to a razor-sharp finish. This dual grit setup ensures that you can achieve sharpness quickly and efficiently. Additionally, it includes a fifth slot specifically for sharpening scissors, which is a fantastic feature that many other sharpeners overlook. Using the Zwilling sharpener couldn't be easier. It features a pull-through design with clearly labeled slots, allowing anyone to use it without any prior sharpening experience. You simply insert the blade or scissors into the appropriate slot and pull it through a few times. It's that straightforward. This ease of use makes it a great option for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Safety is always a concern when it comes to sharpening tools, and Zwilling has addressed this with a unique safety grip. This design feature keeps your fingers safely away from the blade during the sharpening process, providing peace of mind while you work. Additionally, the non-slip rubberized bottom ensures that the sharpener stays stable on your countertop, allowing for a more controlled sharpening experience. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen, whether for meal prep or culinary experimentation, having sharp knives is essential. Dull blades can lead to frustrating cooking experiences and increased risk of accidents. The Zwilling sharpener is perfect for home cooks, professional chefs, and anyone who appreciates the value of well-maintained kitchen tools. Think about practical use cases. Imagine you're preparing a beautiful vegetable stir-fry. With a sharp knife, you can effortlessly slice through produce, ensuring even cuts and a more visually appealing dish. Or perhaps you're getting ready to carve a roast for a family gathering. A sharp knife will make that task not only easier but also safer, reducing the chance of slips and accidents. In addition to knives, having a sharp pair of scissors in the kitchen can be equally important. Whether you're cutting herbs, opening packages, or crafting, dull scissors can be a major inconvenience. With the Zwilling sharpener's dedicated slot for scissors, you can keep all your cutting tools in prime condition. In summary, the Zwilling 4-stage ultra-sharp knife sharpener and scissor sharpener is a must-have for anyone serious about their kitchen tools. Its versatility, ease of use, and safety features make it a standout product that can help you maintain your blades for all your cooking adventures. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,